Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Trisha. For those that are new, welcome. Today I want to share how you can make 3D wall art, and you're not going to believe how easy it is. Let's dive right on into it. For this project, I used 2 pieces of foam board, and it could be any size of your choosing. What you want to do is just take your hot glue gun, and I'm just going to cover the entire surface with glue. Once you have the glue on there, you want to act fast and place the other foam board on top. And I'm doing this to add more support since we are using foam board. What we're going to do is place spackle across half of the foam board. And the reason why I'm doing that is because spackle dries really quickly, so we want to work in smaller sections. I want to take a moment to share, if you are a subscriber, please look on the community tab on my page. There is a link to enter into a giveaway that I'm doing. You have to go out and check that out. I didn't want to share it on here in the video. This is only for my subscribers, and if you have not subscribed and you've seen a couple of my videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of the family. If you notice, I have transitioned from using my hand to a spreader. If you have one, I suggest using that. It's kind of helpful to, kind of like spread it out and even out the spackle. Now, if you don't have one, you could also use a card, kind of like an old gift card that you might have. That works as well. All right, so now for the fun part. What we're going to do is take a plastic fork, and we're going to create arches. And you don't have to create this shape. This is just an idea for you of what you could do for this piece of art. And if you're like me and cannot make the best arches, it's okay, because this is your piece and imperfection is beautiful. So it does not have to be perfect. And if you make a mistake, just like you saw me, I just spread out the spackle again and attempt to make the arch again. Hit the like button if you think this project has been easy thus far. Once you finish the first half, it's time to repeat the same process and do the second half. Once your spackle has dried, it should look something like this. So what you want to do is take a plastic knife or something of that sort and lightly go across to get rid of anything that you do not want to be on the art piece. After you have finished that, you want to turn it on its side and get rid of that debris. Once you have finished, you can spray paint it whatever color you would like. Just make sure you're in a well ventilated area. I am choosing to use a metallic gold spray paint. After the paint dried, I decided to make a frame off camera, and so I placed it on top. And to see how to make your own custom frame, I will put the link at the top as well as in the description box below. And once you have the frame on there, you could just place tape on the back to secure the foam board, and it should look something like this. To hang it up on the wall, just use command strips. So guys, what do you think about this project? I thought this was a easy, inexpensive way to make wall art, and you don't even have to use a canvas. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a great week.